Hi guys, it's Colette, and today for Water Marble March we're going to be working on this Indigo Galactic design. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Indigo Away and topping that with Galactic Unicorn Skin. And then for the water marble, I'm going to be using Indigo Away along with the Matte Taco. Once I finish applying my base color, I'm going to protect around my nails with tape as well as protective peel. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once your bullseye is complete, you can go in and draw a flower, trying to keep the petals as even as possible. Make sure the center is fairly clean, or at least there aren't any goobers. Then you're going to want to line your nails up on the petals that you'd like and dip. There's a little bit of bleeding in the center, but I don't think that it's so much that it will impact being able to see the flakies through the clear. So I'm just going to go ahead and line up here, and then go ahead and dip. It's dried out a little bit, so I'm just going to make sure to break the nails apart. Make sure that there isn't anything on the surface, and then pull out. And there's the marble. Still a little bit hard to see, but we're going to go ahead and take off the protection. Then we'll be finishing the other nails before we finish this off with the top coat, and because these are going to be matte, it's going to make it much easier to see the design and the flakies. I did my usual cleanup around the edges with a small brush dipped in acetone, and now I'm going to go ahead and smooth everything out with a glossy top coat. I'm going to be using Sèche Vite as usual, and once I've finished with that and it's dry, I'm going to be finishing with a matte top coat. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I think these two go really well together with the dominant green, but this unicorn skin also has quite a bit of shift to it. You can see a little bit of purple there, and hopefully I'll be able to get some more of it to show up in the pictures that I'll include at the end of the video. If you'd like to check out the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube soon. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I can already say that this is one of my favorites for the month because I just like it that much. But I hope you guys enjoyed as well. And if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.